So it's turned up, guys, the silver play button that you get from YouTube for reaching 100,000 subscribers. Let's open it up and take a look. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Ooh, we've got a little card. We have a letter here. Well done for something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. Yes, thank you for that as well. And here it is. I mean, that is pucker. Look at that. Presented to the School of Photography for passing 100,000 subscribers. Now that's making me proud. It's a really proud moment for us here at the School of Photography, and even in the process of from when we got 100,000 subscribers to them sending us this plaque, we've got another 10,000 odd subscribers. So, you know, things are going really, really well for us, and it's down to you guys for supporting us, and I cannot thank you enough. So thank you very much. And I thought that I would take this opportunity actually to tell you why I started a YouTube channel in the first place. I thought that some people might be interested in it, so let's go through that story. Firstly, I can tell you that it wasn't because I wanted to be a YouTube star or anything far from being a YouTube star. That wasn't why I started a YouTube channel. And it certainly wasn't because I wanted to earn loads of money from YouTube. You know, that wasn't the reason neither. And I can tell you now that you do not earn a lot of money from YouTube revenue anyway. So that was certainly not a reason for it. I started the YouTube channel to basically show people what we can offer here at the School of Photography. It just seemed like such an obvious platform to be on. I can make videos and show you how I teach. And it was about 2 years ago or so when I started doing this. You know, I've been teaching photography since 2002. You know, I'm a fully qualified teacher and everything like that. But I never thought of YouTube, and you know, it's my fault really. But about 2 years ago, I was looking on YouTube, and what I saw was that there was no one on here that was actually properly teaching people. You know, there's a lot of showing going on, but there wasn't much teaching. And I thought, you know, I'm going to show people how to do it really, because I can tell you this now, that knowing your craft and being an expert at your craft is a totally different skill to actually teaching the craft. And you've only got to ask any teacher. If you know a teacher, you know, in secondary school, primary school, college, whatever, go and ask them what I've just told you, right? Teaching is a totally different skill than doing. And, you know, it sounds like I'm blowing my own trumpet here, but there wasn't anyone on YouTube that had the qualifications and experience in teaching that I've got. So I started to make videos, and it just kicked off because I think that that's what people saw. I think people saw the difference in showing and teaching. And, you know, I really, really hope that all of the subscribers, every one of you that have subscribed to my channel, I really do hope that it has made a difference in your photography learning journey. So just to finish up here, you know, I'm so glad that I started my YouTube channel. It's been an absolute game changer for us here at the School of Photography. I'm so pleased that you lot follow us. Your support means so much. Now, we have got a core fan base that follow us on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and things like that, and they always comment and like the videos, and they're really, really supportive of us. And you know, you are one of them people, I know you are. And honestly, from me, from my team here at the School of Photography, thank you so much. So I'm going to find a nice place to put this plaque, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, learn more at the School of Photography.